In this video, we will be going through the steps involved with creating a template for antibody titration for the In-Cell Western, ELISA, and cell analysis. So here in the template library, go ahead and click on Create Template and give it a name. Add any kind of description that you would like. And then for this particular one, I'm just going to simply choose In-Cell Western and choose the 96 well plate format and choose the category of antibody titration. And then here on the next step, we're going to set our background wells. And so these are going to be wells that have been not treated with cell stain, but have been treated with secondary antibody. Click Set as Background. Click Next. And I am setting this up to match the two antibodies titration that is in the presets. I'm going to set those as the positive wells. And then I'm going to give this a description. And then you can add any values if you want. You can also add a description on here at that point as well. And then for the negative controls, we're going to follow the same process. And give it a name and value if needed at that point. Then if you have any other wells that you would like to be included as samples, you can define those here. We're just going to move on to the next step. And then we're going to set groups. And so we have one set of antibodies right here. And then we're just going to follow that process for the next groups. And then if needed, you can add your descriptions here. So for instance, you can add the different antibody dilutions that you have under the name right there. And then you have your template completed at this point. Thank you.